In today's video, we're visiting the King Abdulaziz Centre for World Culture near Dammam in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Hey there everybody, my name is Chris. Join me as I explore this incredible planet. Okay, so we are now here at the entrance to the King Abdulaziz Centre for World Culture. We are here now at the entrance, but they tell us it opens at 9 o'clock. However, we are not allowed to go in and sit there somewhere and wait for it to open. The guard said we must wait here. Now there is nowhere to sit. There's the road, so our taxi has already gone because obviously we can't keep him here for an hour. So finally they let us in after waiting for more than an hour, and we're walking down the road now. The taxi driver said it's about 15 minutes walk, so we should be there soon. I hope this is worth it. So the security guards there at the gate said no, we cannot go inside because there's nowhere inside for us to sit down and wait. There's nowhere to sit down, no to sit down, nowhere to sit down and wait. Our taxi driver at first didn't know when we told him the King Abdulaziz Centre for World Culture, and when he found it eventually on his phone, he said, oh, I think he called it the Atra Tower. So if you want to visit this, tell that to the taxi driver. Okay, so we are now here inside the King Abdulaziz Centre. Quite impressive architecture. Let's see what we've got. So here's the map. so we're here in the library area. My wife has run into some other Filipino people. I guess one needs a lot of time in a library to sit here and read books. We're not going to spend that much time here because it's already late in the evening. And then if you've been walking all day long, you come here, there are some comfortable chairs in which you can sit. But be careful because you might fall asleep. It seems like the museum is in the tower, but we've been told that it's 35 rial per person to enter the museum, so we're not going to do that now. Now our next challenge would be to get home, because I don't think we're going to get any taxis outside, but we'll try and deal with it. So, Emma, how was your experience of the King Abdulaziz Centre for World Culture?
Inside, there's no excitement. So I think mostly the children is exciting what is the inside of the children museum, but it's for the adults, except maybe addiction of the reading books. There are books in upstairs, but about the excitement, there is nothing here. It's a building, very beautiful building.
I thought the cheese croissant and the cappuccino was quite exciting.
Yeah, the cappuccino is very nice, but the Filipino bartender there is very, I believe the Filipino is always right amount of the test. Yeah.
Okay, so it's a beautiful place though. Beautiful architecture and very relaxing to walk around. But for the hour that we had to wait outside the guard's gate there and the taxi drive here, I'm not entirely sure whether it was worth coming here. However, it's I guess if we entered the museum, maybe that would have been exciting, but we're not going to pay 70 reals in total for the two of us for that. Yeah?
Yeah, this building very clean. And it's very.
Yes,
in the first place, I'm very excited to coming here. What is the excitement that inside? But for me, it's no excitement. We are here now because it's quiet. Yes. Maybe because of the Ramadan.
Okay, very clean. Right, let's go try and find a taxi out here. I don't know where we're going to find that one. Right, off we go. Moving on. Okay, so we've called the taxi driver that brought us here, Kalim, and he said he'll be here in about 20 minutes. We're just waiting right outside the main entrance of the center. And while we wait, we can do a bit of a breakdown of our experience here. First of all, the entrance arrangements there at the gate, it can probably be improved because we arrived a bit early, but we were not allowed to come in and wait here where there's lots and lots and lots and lots of places where you can sit down. They told us there's nowhere to sit, and we had to wait there outside the gate. Well, there's absolutely no reason why we couldn't just walk in and come and sit here while we wait for the center to open. I'm pretty sure if you come here in the daytime that there might be more to do. They have some beautiful gardens surrounding the center, and I believe there are some outdoor places you can sit, and even an outdoor library. We had cappuccino and cheese croissants in the restaurant inside. That was nice. But really we find it hard to justify taking a taxi all the way out here and all the way back to what there was inside. It's a nice building and it's nice architecture, but there isn't really much of interest inside. I guess if we were willing to pay 35 reals each and go into the museum, which we think is in the tower, that might have been interesting. We didn't see the theater either, although there you also have to pay. So there were a few things we didn't see. However, I'm not entirely sure whether I'll do this trip again. Maybe in the daytime, when it's not Ramadan, and bring some picnic food and stuff and sit out here in the garden, enjoy that. But then you can rather go to the Dahran Hills Park, which is probably better for a picnic. They have performances here other times. There was supposed to be I think they called it an energy display or something like that outside. We went there, we didn't see that. There was nothing going on there, so maybe our timing was just not right. It is a very beautiful place, very beautiful building, very picturesque. So if you don't mind, taking a taxi out here or doing the drive yourself, if you have a car, you can do it. But now we want to go home. We want to get back to our hotel and get some sleep. Alright, thank you for joining us for this trip.